Hey everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick video walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. Alright, so starting off, as you can see, this boat is powered by a Mercury 250. It's going to be plenty of power to get you anywhere you want to go out on the water. Then it's also going to have two casting platforms back here, and as you can see, they both flip up and provide some extra seating as you're going down the water. This also has two rod holders and two cup holders back here. And then moving up to the captain's chair, that's going to be able to be adjusted to be forward or rear facing. And then also has a cooler underneath for more storage. And up here you've got all of your switches. It's going to be real easy to access as you're moving along. Got your stereo system, and then it also comes equipped with a compass and a wireless phone charger. And this 220 Dauntless also does come with a head unit inside of there. Now making our way up to the bow, you're going to find this very roomy two-person lounger right here with armrests that fold up, and then right underneath the lounger you're going to find some lockable storage, so you're going to be able to put coolers, and you can slide more fishing poles under there. And then finally up here at the bow, you're going to have your low profile rails with cup holders, more rod holders. As you can see, you can take those off for another casting platform, and then there's going to be additional storage underneath there. So if you like this 220 Dauntless or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by MarineMax Grand Lake today. Thanks.